Okay, so here we are in the Unity game engine, and so I have my frog guy up there, and he has a different script attached to him. I've made several different scripts. Um, I have this frog patrol. I have it all commented out right now. I just don't want it. I just don't want to do anything at all right now. I don't exactly remember what I did to it, but I tried to mess around with it. Um, I don't know what this one is. Um, this is an attempt. This is a beginning attempt to get an image to fade in on the game over screen. But this is the script. The enemy jump over script is the script that I have for my frog currently. And what it was doing before is it was sensing if there was a wall, and then it would attempt to jump over it, depending on the size of the stump. But these stump variables actually aren't doing anything right now because I have it set now to where my frog just constantly jumps. Uh, as you can see, I think it's right here. Or maybe not. But we'll just go over this from the top. So my direction, the start is -1. And then if my position is less than 9, -9, my direction will become positive and I'll start moving right. But then if I go to basically this point in the map, these are both points in the map, and then I'll turn around. And so you can adjust these accordingly. If you want your patrol to move only over a small area of the map or a big area of the map, it'll you change these variables and they'll move accordingly. If I change this any further, like if I change it to I think 10, he'll fall off the map. Um, and then this is just setting the velocity and just getting the input access. I'm just checking where to face. And yeah, basically just checking where to face. Um, it was a little bit since I did this script. So basically, this guy, he just jumps up and down constantly. And we'll just go into the game and we'll take a look at it. So there he is. He's jumping. He's jumping a lot. And so if I hit him, it'll play the game over music and he'll die. And they have that kind of creepy background music. So that's pretty cool. And you try again and the game will restart. So I'm gonna try to go over the rest of this a lot better in class tomorrow because I got to keep this condensed down to 5 minutes. But I'll try to go over my game over things. I have my game over image. That is my player controller. So I have it commented out. Where does it get implemented? If I collide with an enemy, then I'm messing around with all of this. This will add like a jump force, and that's how the character like jumps in the air like hurt. And I disable his box collider so he can fall through the map. And I set is dead to true, and that'll trigger the animation. Um, what else? Um, yeah, I basically, but before I make him jump, I reset his velocity, like all his velocities. So if I'm running and I hit an enemy, I don't fly over to the right or to the left. It'll reset his velocity and then he'll jump up in the air. And then so that game went over an image. We'll try to look at that now that it's enabled. Never mind. That's about all I got. Thank you for your time.